Account-based marketing, ABM, it's just advanced demand creation. Really, it certainly is a piece of it, but it is not just advanced demand generation. The two work together so well. You know, one of the things that we looked at with Serious Decisions is what's happening with budgets for account-based marketing. It's a hot trend out there right now, and the best thing to understand for you all as marketers, this is a hype that's actually working, and it is specifically designed for B2B marketers. It's not something that was around in the B2C world and suddenly they tried to adapt it up into B2B. This was something that was designed specifically for B2B. What we're seeing is that in 2016 to 2017, man, there's a huge spike in the amount of companies that are allocating hard marketing dollars to developing an account-based marketing scheme. Scheme in the best sense of the word, an account-based marketing plan, let's call it that. So one of the things that you'll see, and something to call out specifically, is marketing to accounts and account-based marketing, they really are a phrase that's used kind of interchangeably. So don't get hung up on that at all, but there's a few differences to understand. So, you know, in the idea of marketing to an account, well, it's based on the business segmentation. Absolutely. That can be everything set up by the geographic location, that can be set up by vertical, things like that. The planning, it's meeting those needs of the market segment. And we said earlier too, like the tactic selection, you know, you're choosing that based on a persona of needs or the buyer's journey. So it's thinking of it kind of as a one-on-one, maybe one-to-many to a lesser degree, but the success metrics based off of marketing just to accounts is the new pipeline that's delivered. Well, switch that over and take a look at account-based marketing. It's based on available account insights. You're looking at the company as a whole, because in today's age, no longer do we see that it is limited to just one person in the buying process. There's a bunch of different stakeholders in there, and what we're seeing with account-based marketing is understanding that particular account as a whole rather than in an individual, and all these stakeholders are giving you their digital breadcrumbs. And the planning, you have to actually bring that into the buying center and understand that within this company, these different little silos are going to have different needs and different wants, and being able to respond to that effectively. And you know, the tactic selection, again, it's chosen by the account insights, everything that you're gaining from this particular account that you're working within. And the success metrics is the influence, the growth, and the productivity to closed and won business. So if we take a look with our friends with Serious Insights, what they did was they came across with a degree of account insights on a nice X and Y axis. Across the bottom, you're starting to see the degree of account insights, you know, and across the vertical axis, you're seeing sales and management, joint level engagement. Moving from left to right, you know, the limited customization, yeah, that's just defined demand. But as you move way over to the right, you're starting to see that coordinated customization, you know, it's the named account marketing within the industry. There's a great engagement between sales and marketing together, and it's a stronger understanding of the segment and the individual accounts. And then as we move up and to the right into large account marketing and advanced customization, well, that is the strongest level of joint account engagement, and you've got a ton of deep account insight that you're working from. So within Acton, little plug, when we're working with us on general demand marketing, it's easy within Acton to set up the contact list by the persona, by the industry, geography, funnel stage, and more. And with account-based marketing, your aim really is to deliver those personalized and deeper engagement with those specific accounts or businesses that you're working with. So instead of leads as an account-based marketer, you are focused on the opportunities. And Acton's account-based marketing, it allows you to establish those lists at the account level, as you can see here, within territory, within the industry, and more. Once you've identified those at the account level in your CRM, you're able to leverage the data and then really drill down into the contact activity within the accounts and aggregate those scores together. Rather than having individual scores, being able to aggregate all those scores of those individuals within that particular business that you're targeting, we can bring that down very specifically into how is this company actually engaged with us? Is it something that maybe on an individual level, those scores are not all that attractive, but within this one, we start looking at the additional content and what content you might want to send over based on the engagements of the individuals within that company. You know, branching, it helps you send the right messaging based on the interactions like opens or clicks, and you know, exit conditions help you make sure that a person is removed when this program is no longer relevant to them. And you know, when a lead is qualified, you can use automation rules to push them over to your CRM and assign the appropriate sales rep to follow up.